Hey guys, what's happening? How to see unknown callers on iPhone. To see unknown callers on an iPhone, check the recent tab on the phone app, right? So hit the recent here at the bottom middle, at the bottom left, to see where a calls appears as no caller ID or unknown. For better identification, enable silence unknown callers, right? In the settings app, right? To send unknown numbers to voicemail. So go ahead to apps, find phone, right? Right, and you're gonna find silence unknown caller, right? Just turn it on, right? And that will send unknown numbers to voicemail, or you can use third-party apps like Truecaller to identify incoming calls. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.